This is Group 214 and our presentation is about the Robotics Winter School. My name is Oratile and I will be narrating the entire presentation, and our team consists of Shamira, Mohammed, Bernard and Enver, and we are the florists. This presentation includes the introduction and background, project preparation, project execution, and the conclusion and handover recommendations. Sifiso EdTech is an organization that provides educational robotics solutions to schools. In this case, they were working with Future Nations schools and was to be done in the form of a winter school from the 1st to the 5th of July. They needed a team of enthusiastic young people with experiences in engineering and technology that can assist with teaching and to inspire the children. This class had a pupil count of 25 from grades 7 to 10 and consisted of at least 75% of girls. This entire winter school was sponsored by MTN and the theme was to inspire girls in engineering and robotics. The role we played as students was to be teaching assistants for the winter school to inspire and to assist the children on a daily basis to acquire their robotic skills. This links mainly to the 4th SDG, quality education, but also indirectly to the sustainable cities and communities, affordable and clean energy, as well as the good and health well-being SDGs. During our project preparation, we had to assign roles which included a leader, a co-leader, journalist, a videographer, and a liaison. We also needed to take into consideration the enneagram types that best suit each role from each group member. A brief description of each role and enneagram type is provided on this slide. We introduced a class of 25 students to educational material which included the EBIT Explore and the Scratch program that enabled them to build robots and program them to perform specific actions. To communicate with our partner, we used WhatsApp as we found it much more efficient as opposed to using email. This helped us send and receive documents from the partner as well as plan a daily program. We encountered a multitude of issues which included the lack of transportation, receiving the learning material late, as well as communication issues with the partner. However, the solutions we came up with around these issues included organizing ourselves a means of transport, finding an easier way to communicate, as well as planning adequately on a daily. To summarize what we did on each day of the winter school, on Monday, the first day, we introduced them to the UKIT Explore, Scratch programming, as well as the research topics that they had to partake in. On the second day, we built 2 robots and programmed them. On the third day, we then built an additional robot, but then also worked on their project. On the 4th day, we completed their project robots and completed their documentation. And then on the 5th and final day, they presented their project for the competition. Here are some images during our time at the winter school. The winter school provided skills in coding and robotics so that they can use these skills in problem solving and teamwork in future. The idea is that they can keep learning after the 5-day program ends and apply them in future subjects. In a follow-up session, students could learn more advanced robotics like programming sensors and building more complex robots. Regular workshops and more resources like advanced kits would keep students interested and help them learn even more. In conclusion, we believe that the winter school had a positive impact on the community, as we saw that the children enjoyed the Robotics Winter School experience. Despite many setbacks, the children did, however, learn about programming, robotics, and the design process. Future groups should try to make earlier contact with Sifiso EdTech to gain access to material much earlier so that they can be better prepared to teach the children. I would like to thank JCP for fostering initiatives that include giving back to the community. This will be all from my side and Group 214, the Florists. Thank you for watching our presentation.